Okay. Good evening, basketball fans. Time now again po sa ating pong basketball action between projects or the projects versus in-flights. Okay, both po playing white. Ang papagalan po dito po is one of them is wearing pink, white-pink combination at kabila po is white-red combination. Okay, now Baredo pops up. Number 18 pops up. Nope. Number one. Visto driving strong. Foul po kagad po. Tinawag po. Foul. Okay, go. Okay, thank you po. Welcome muli po sa ating basketball action po tonight po between QR Projects versus the In-Flights. Yan. Impress po, wearing white and pink combination. Kabila naman po is white and red combination. Visto number 1, first shot. Pasok. Mukhang ano to. Second throw, jumpers ready po time. Please take note po. Ang QR Projects po has scored a win against ano po natin po si Airport United po last week. Rebound battle won by the In-Flights people. In-Flights. Up. Nako ni Bilerong Ian Villanueva na binababa ang bola, pops up. Wala, masyadong malakas ang pass ni Ian. Ian's pass, too much strong, my friend. Bawasan na po ng konti. Medyo. And again, Visto, binato kagad kay Villalaba, yung nagpanalo po ng nakarang linggo sa kanilang laban sa In-Flights. Pops up for 3, malakas. And out of bounds. Again, balik muli po sa In-Flights. Bull po ng bola. Villanueva, binato agad. Intercepted. Hindi lang na-control ni Villalaba ang bola. Okay, welcome muli ako sa RVG Vlog si Ju. And I'm now giving po sa ating pong projects po ngayon. And In-Flights, Borlasa for 3. Balakas. Pasok ang bola. Borlasa 3-point score is 4-5. Change favor na po tayo. 4-5 po. Visto again. Visto, Villalaba, driving strong, dish of pass, masyado malaki ang bantay, pops up, bang, 2 points. Malit lang sila pero binabanata po sa speed ng bola. Ang speed ng labanan ngayon dito. Kabila na po, match up din, no? Match up din sila, no? Meron sa both dominant centers. Borlasa kick out pass, and same ball. Reaching foul cold. Change players po tayo yun. Change players po tayo. Calling the second line na po sa ating larong ito. This time si Montesilio, si Rodriguez, si Jay nandiyan na rin po. Sa kabila po si Sir Philip, si Kain brother, si Borlasa will stay, and of course si number 12 will also stay. Okay, inbounding is now In-Flights. In-Flights of pali inbound. James Ariol is watching. JP Baron is watching. Pops up, wala. Jane, binababa ang bola. Jane, driving strong. Malakas. Again, one more time. Rodriguez, wala. One more time, Rodriguez, 2 points. Mark Ariola, where are you na? Where are you, Mr. Ariola? Ba't nawawala ka dito? Okay, balik muli po tayo. Sir Philip 5 driving in the ball against Montesilio. Nando sa si Kakain. Malakas ang bago. Again, ito na naman si Rodriguez. Rodriguez 28 on the run. Wala. One more time. Rodriguez 2 points. Put back. A put back ni Rodriguez. And Philip. Borlasa, driving strong. Foul called. Reaching foul called ng Montesilio. Reaching foul called. And now, sino po ito? Si Natividad. Philip 5 to Natividad. Against Jain. Pate, butike. One more time. Jay Pakain, no good. Again, on the run, number 2. 2 points. Visto again, number 2 points. The score right is 12-5. Borlasa, 18. Again, nice steal. Again, another run by Visto. Visto again. Visto! Visto! Malakas. Nandun. May tao pala doon. Again, tapo ni po. Rodriguez again. Rodriguez to Montesilio. Okay, ano muna tayo? Hepep muna tayo. Kulang tayo. Visto. Jane for 3. Nope. Rebound, Rodriguez. Fade away shot, no good. And same ball. Same ball sa kabila. Timeout called by DN Flights. Well, folks, good evening sila po kasi Arvin G. Vlog si Jude. Time up to deliver na the global blackout po. Mula po sa dalawang kupunan between In Flights versus ano po natin yan? The Projects or QR Projects. Okay. Nasaan ako? Ito. Then? Ito nga. Okay. You're watching right now the game between In Flights versus the Projects at the Space Oryx versus the Sky Team. Okay, enjoy muna po tayo sa In Flights versus the Projects. Philip 5, to Natividad, binababa ang bola. Natividad against Montesilio. Nakalusot, Natividad, Desio pass, Akain. No good. Huspal rep, balik, same ball. Rodriguez called for a foul. Warning for penalty. QR Projects. 5 for 3. Nope. It's driving strong. 5. Off hand shot. No good. Again. Ito na naman sila. Visto. Intercepted by Borlasa. Binato kagad. Binato kay Philip. Natividad. Foul called. Blocking foul. A block foul called. Blocking foul call on jersey number 26. And Natividad shooting for the please take note po. 12-5 po score po natin. A 7-point lead advantage now by the Project. Natividad, first shot. Inside. It's in. Second throw. Natividad, jumpers ready po tayo. Ha? Ay, stepping. Stepping on the line. Sorry. Nullified. Ito. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Rodriguez. And now, again, binababata naman. Pero nakulipin 5. 5, binato na kagad. Borlasa, 2 points. 12-8, 12-9. So, it's 12-7 rather. 12-7 na score po natin. Montesilio. Jain. Visto, palpal, pero may foul. There's a contact by on the center pa ng In Flights.
That's your first personal. Third team foul.
Patip na. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Visto. Lalo ko nun. Okay. Visto. Final shot. No good. Another. Visto again. Pass or play. Again, number 2. Visto. Holding the ball to Montesilio. Visto for 3. No. Rebound. Jane for the rebound. Montesilio again. And Visto. Jane, kick pass. Dando si Akain brother. And to Philip 5. Alley play. And the sky play. Pasok ang bola. Nice one by him. Nice assist from Philip 5 to the center. 2 points, 12-9. A 3-point advantage only. Visto for 3. Nope. Rebound battle. 1 by the center. Again, to Akain to Visto. Philip 5. 2 points. 12-11. 12-11 po tayo. 12-11. A 1-point advantage is now only held by the QR Project. And Monticello again. Visto again. Visto.
14 shot clock.
Rodriguez for 3. Nope. Rebound. Akain. Akain. Natividad. Natividad. Driving strong. It's Philip. Borlasa for 2. Nope. Kapos. Hop. Muntik na. Muntik na. Muntik na. Ayun. Rodriguez. 2 points. 14-11 ang score po natin. 14-11, 56 seconds remaining. Natividad, binababa ang bola. Natividad, Natividad. And behind the sky play, pops up 2 points. Nice one by the center. That's
40 seconds.
Hirwa. Hirwa 2 points. Monticello, siya yung bibigyan ng pick. Against Visto, against Akain brother. Malalim. Rebound battle won by the Jain. 2 points, Jain. Put back by Jain. Jain, 2 points. Intercepted. Beat Philip 5. Intercepted. Again, kick pass. Intercepted. Bang! Wala na. Okay. It's out. The score is 16-13. 16-13. Laman po ang QR Projects. You're watching now the first game for tonight between Inflights and QR Projects, followed by Oryx basketball team and Qatar Airways Sky team. Meanwhile, this is your league. Aviation Friend Dabas sa Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Trade Needles, Team LBC Hanan Padala, and of course, powered by SPB DOA and PSBQ Basketball League. Mag-enjoy muna po tayo sa In-Flights and QR Projects. Balik muli po tayo. Number 16-13 lamang po ng tatlo. Naman po ng tatlo ang Team QR Projects, headed by of course si Monticello, si Rodriguez. Si Rodriguez po, headed by Rodriguez. And of course, nandiyan din po si Monticello, yung mga dating stalwarts po ng Extreme Bowlers. That was good. Okay, second quarter starts now. Okay, typical run and gun play po tayo yun. And this game is brought to you by, of course, SPP DOA for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, second quarter. Yan po. 99, number 12. Number 12, 22. Si 20 ang center po nila. It's number 1, si Visto J. Dito na si Barredo, si Ian Villanueva, si Ariola nandiyan na rin. And of course, nandiyan din si... Yan. Yung pinaka si number 11. Pops sa Pariola. Wala. Malamig pa. Rebound by number 3. Pareño. Yan. Pareño kasama sa influence yan. And si Aris nandito po. Maraming salamat po. Kick number 99. 99. Driving strong. Nandun. Malakas. Pareño. Binababa ang bola against number 3. Hop. Kickball. Naging soccer ang basketball. Naging soccer ang basketball. Pareño, inbounding. Ariola. Ariola gets number 99. Pareño, pops up. Nope, malakas pa. Number 11, binababa ang bola. Number 11, Villalaba. Number 99, lagi si Ian Villanueva. Foul! Ian, for sure. Ian Villanueva called for the foul.
Jersey number 88. Pakanin mo na yan.
Villalaba shooting for 2. First shot. Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Number 99. Pops up. Malakas. Rebound by Pareño. Pareño. Nakagulan ng konti. And now to Ian. Ian. Ian against number 99. Pareño. Ariola. Nilabas muna. Pinasok kay Ian. Ian. Running shot. Nope. Rebound battle by Ian. Ian. Ariola. Binababa ang bola. Ariola. Op. Teka lang po. Traveling violation call. Buti nila. Hindi hindi offensive foul. Na Jim McGovern is watching. Sir Aris is watching also. This game will be a great game also. I think so. Nope. Masyadong lang. Butterfingers. Balik muli po tayo sa po natin. Sa in-flights ang bola. In-flights, inbounding again. And Ian Villanueva against number 12. Pareño pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by number 99. Eto na siya. 99. 2 points na yan. 18-13. A 5-point lead advantage by Team QR Projects over in-flights. Ariola. Stop and back. Nope. And Buhay pa rin. Buhay. Baredo. Pareño. Nawalang bola kay Pareño. Bililaban na naman. Bililaban. Nagmamadali. Bililaba. Shake and pick pass. Bang! Number 12. Set shot. And a timeout call for sure by in-flight. Second game, 7 minutes 32 remaining, 20-30 na score, at 7-point advantage by the Projects. Wala pa yung dyan Wala yung yung matangkad na may maskara. Ariola. Ayun, nice one, pops up, tapos. Again, Bililaba. Wala, hindi naka-duty yata. Foul. Wala yung nakamaskara, ma'am. Madam, wala yung nakamaskara? Nakamaskara, wala. Naka-duty manager, naka-duty. Naka-duty manager yun, naka-duty. Manager yata. FMM yun. Okay, pops up number 3. Mali. Patay, butiki. Patay ang butiki. Okay, Ian. Ariola. Binababa ni Ariola ang bola. Ariola. 7:20 remaining. Maaga pa to. Pareño. Pops up. No. Rebound. Pareño. Baredo. And one play. Baredo. Yung kailangan no-locksin, nandiyan na rin po pala. Baredo, bonus shot coming up. Baredo, bonus shot coming up. Baredo, pops up. Pasok! Okay. 3-point play completed. A 4-point lead advantage now by Team Projects. Intercepted by Ariola and a foul called by number 1. Okay, Ian Villanueva for the inbound. Ian to Ariola again. Ariola to Ian. Ian pops up for 3. Nope. And out of bounds for QR Projects. Out of bounds for QR Projects. Again, now number 3 for the inbound to number 12, Lavariña. Binababa ang bola. Lavariña, number 12. And number 3, pops up. Malakas. Rebound by Baredo. Baredo by the rebound now. Again, Pareño. Kick pass kay Mantek Pacquiano, Ariola, running shot, no good. Pumasok pala. 2 point lead, 2 point lead again, 2 point lead. El Nur, number 3, El Nur stole the ball. 7-5 remaining, and Pareño, 2 points. Tabla, first deadlock of the game. 7:05 remaining. Timer. Pareño. Wala. And Bisto J. 2 points. Okay, yan. 2 points yan. Number 99, 2 points. Villanueva Ian. Ariola. Baredo, swipe away. Hop! Same ball. Okay, 2 points a lead. Again, QR Projects and Corporate timeout. They is ensuring a 2-point lead over in flights. Nakakabigla talaga mga bagong team. $6:57 remaining. In flights again behind by 2 points. You're watching na in flights and QR Projects. After this po, yan po ang Sky Team versus Oryx Basketball Team. Yan. Pero enjoy muna po tayo sa in flights versus the Projects. 6:57 remaining, 22-20 score po natin. Okay, El Nur. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Bola po ng in-flights. 6:57 remaining. 6:57 remaining. And Ian Villanueva. And Ariola against number 99. And Ian driving strong. 2 points, Ian. 2 points. 20-12 po tayo. 2 points, Ian. And Mayorga. Nope. Rebound again by Pacquiano. Pacquiano, binababa ang bola to Ian. Ay! Yay! Aguy. Mali. Ian Villanueva again. Fumbled. Again, number 11. Iyan binahabol si Lalaba. Foul, take 2.
There's a foul committed.
Who's foul rep?
Jersey number 6, Ariola.
Ariola called for a foul.
That's the first.
Number 99, Villalaba shooting for 2. Number 99, pops up, Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Villalaba, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, nope. Rebound battle won by the in-flights. No good. Nando, number 3. Nando, si Ariola. Nice steal by Ariola. Ariola steal, nice steal of Ariola. 22 po rin po tayo. Hinahabol ng double shirts. And Baredo, malakas kay Pareño. Pareño pops up, 2 points. Jolens. 2 points Pareño. Ian, binabati si number 99. And Ariola, binabati si Lavinia. Lavaria. And now 27 Mayorga. And now Alnur pops up. Nako, malakas. Villalaba, 2 points for number 99. The lefty. Ang kaliwete. Ariola, binababa ang ball ni Ariola. And to Ian. Ian Villanueva, running shot. No, Pareño. Fadeaway shot. Naku, malakas. Pareño. Foul called. And change player po tayo.
Jersey number 08, that's the second personal foul.
Jersey number 8, Coke for the foul. Second line na po tayo ngayon. Okay, line up po ni Rodriguez, ni Visto again. Sa kabila na po, of course, si Sir Philip, si Borlasa, and of course, nandiyan po si Sir Akain. Rodriguez. And si Visto, number 2, another Visto. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, Philip 5. Nope. It's Montesilio. Nice steal by Montesilio. Montesilio against number 11. Foul!
There's a foul.
Foul called.
Warning for penalty.
Aim flights now. Warning for penalty. 14 fouls, 1 preventive. Jain for inbound. And to Montesilio, number 21. Pops up. Palpal! Nice block by number 12. Borlasa. Binababa ni Borlasa ang bola. Borlasa. No good. One more time. Visto. Kick pass kay Rodriguez. Nakuha niya. And out of bounds. Rodriguez out of bounds. Out of bounds Rodriguez. And 26. Philip. Montesilio to Philip 5. And Ariola for 3. Nope. Ayun. Borlas again. Pwede may shot. Wala. Hirwa. No good. Jane binaba ang bola. Jane. 2 points Jane again. Lamang muli po ang Projects. Steal again by Projects. Visto against Visto. No rebound by Akain. Binato na kay Philip ang bola. Philip foul. Montesilio called for a foul.
That's your second personal foul. Jersey number 21.
5, second 2 shots given. 5 per shot. Pasok. 5 second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 26-5. Pops up. Both basket may tabla. 26 tabla. And Jain. Visto for 3. Malakas. Montesilio. Nice pass. Inbound. Pasok. Rodriguez 2 points. Borlasa. Binababa ang bola. Borlasa. Double team. Philip 5 for 3. No good. Rebound by Visto. Again. Number 4. Montesilio. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goes again by Montesilio. And as a foul called. Foul on Montesilio. Third person foul committed now. Both teams warning for penalty po tayo. And Philip 5. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Jane. Binababa ang bola. Jane. Tapos. Mali. 9-1. And rebound by Jane. Montesilio foul called. Nice hustle play by Inflight.
Foul minute. Jersey number 18. Both teams in penalty.
Okay, balik tayo. Montesilio. Pasok. 31-26. A 5-point advantage. Ito, dark push. Second shot, jumpers ready. Montesilio, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. Cinco. Natividad, running shot, nope. Rebound, Borlasa, foul! Ouch. 32-26. Borlasa, number 18, shooting for 2. Borlasa, number 18, shooting for 2.
36 seconds.
Pops up. In. Inside. Second shot, jumper ready. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Borlasa, pops up. Pasok. 32-20, a 4-point lead advantage still enjoyed by Team Project. Montesilio, number 21. Nice stop. Ganti para si Jain. And Montesilio. Jain pops up. No good. Rebound by Hirwa. Hirwa, binababa ang bola. Hirwa. Nope. It's Borlasa in line. Wala. Rebound by Philip. Binababa ang bola. Malakas. Out of bounds. Labas na. 57 seconds remaining. Jane.
50 seconds.
Montesilio. Visto. Pops up for 3. And 1 play. Paso 4-point play by Visto. Basket good. Possible 4-point play and will be for Visto. Number 2, Visto. Jumpers ready. Visto pops up. Okay, complete ang 4-point play. 20-30. Walo po kalamangan. Borlasa, binababa ang bola. Borlasa, gito po sila. Borlasa. Take pass. Philip Cinco for 3. Nope. Rebound, Borlasa. 2 points.
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
20 seconds remaining.
Pass to Visto. 14 shot clock.
Borlasa.
Is Camilla.
Nice one by Hirwa. Akain. Ayun na. Akain alone. 2 points. 1 second remaining and halftime tayo. Halftime po tayo. This is your aviation friendly league, Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, Team LBC and Thread the Needles. Sama natin po dyan po ang SPP DOA and PSB Basketball League. We're watching right now In-Flights versus the Projects. And afterwards is Oryx Basketball versus the Sky Team. Enjoy muna po tayo sa In-Flights versus the Projects. Ang score po natin is 36-30 to 4-point lead advantage. Kanina, lumawalago na po ng 8 puntos, pero nabawi po nila kagad. Ika nga, nabawi po nila kagad, pabalik po ng 4 puntos. We'll be back po after 1 minute sa larong ito. Tayo po tayo po Okay, 30 seconds more. Then we'll start now our second half. about to start the second half. And, okay, second half basketball action starts right now. Second half now, third quarter about to start. The score is 36-32 in flights behind 4 points sa the Projects. Sir. Bote.
Late.
O di, ano? Traffic.
Oo, grabe.
Pala, no? Bote, nag-Uber na nga ako. Pinadaan ko lang sa highway ka. Your Projects ball. Okay, third quarter action. Bola po ng Pure Projects. Bilalaba for the inbound. Visto. And Bilalaba, number 99. 99. Sizing up the defense. Nope. And nice D. Visto again for 3. Bang! 3 points, Visto. 7-point advantage again. 7-point advantage. Ariola, binababa ang bola. Ariola, bringing down the ball. Ariola. Hirwa, 2 points. Hirwa, 2 points. Hindi nila pinasok yung malaki. Visto again. Go. Rebound chain. Visto again. Visto to Visto. Hirwa. Hirwa. Binababa ang bola. Hirwa. And Borlasa for 3. Malangas. Pareño. 2 points Pareño. 3-point advantage again by team Projects. Bilalaba. Bilalaba. Ayun. Palpal. Bilalaba. Butik pa. Pareño called for a foul. Number 99. Shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot. Jump is ready. Wala. Hirwa. Foul. '99 called for a foul. Balik po ni Sale. Bola po na in flights. Oop. Ariola, binaba. Again, binaba. Ariola. 6, Sanchez. Pops up. Palpal. Ariola. No good. And binalaba. Binalaba. Against Ariola. Binalaba. Good ball. Nice D. Anacletes, sir. Anacletes watching also. Pareño. 2 points. Again, 1-point advantage by QR Projects over in flights. Visto for 3. Bang! Yung arko. May pato agad. Pamatay sulok. Akain brother. Akain 2 points. Again, 2-point advantage again by in-flight. 2-point advantage by in-flight. Jain. Jain. And Jain. 2 points Jain. Borlasa against Jain. Borlasa, muntik na. Borlasa pops up. Nope. Rebound, Pareño against Jane. Pareño, bang! 2 points, Pareño. 42-42, 6:39 remaining. Visto again for 3. Nope. Rebound by Hirwa. Ariola. Parit. Itatabla. Paritabla. Pareño. Pareño, Ariola again. Ariola, tingin 3. Pops up. Nope. Hirwa, rebound. Nope. One more time. Sayang. Rodriguez. 3-on-2. 2-on-2 situation. 2 points. Ariola. Your project again. Apat ang lumpa ng Kalamangan. Akain for 3. Bang! Akain 3 points. 5:50 remaining. 5:50 remaining. Jane. Pops up. Visto. No good. Rebound again by the in-flights. By the pink shirts. Borlasa. Ariola pops up. Nope. Akain. Nope. Wow. Number 8. Visto inbounding.
5 minutes, 22 seconds. Here's a recent foul. Natigil na. That's a second foul.
Natin patuloy yung bago. Jane. Visto. Number 1, Visto. Visto to Jane again. Jane. Jane. Nope. Rebound. Jane again. And 1 play. 2 points, Jane. 4:54 remaining. Ay, lumalago na naman. A 3-point lead advantage again by Team QR Tower, QR Projects. Jane pops up. It's out. And Borlasa. Time for 3. No, rebound by Akain. Akain! 2 points Akain. Isa. Isa daw, sabi, isa na lang.
Back to 1 for QR Projects.
QR Projects. Visto. Again, called. There's a contact. Take 3. Take 3.
Foul jersey number 29.
Jersey number 29 called for a foul. Visto. For sure, 3 shots given. 48-40 na score po natin. Visto. First shot. Wala. Bistro. Second shot. Visto, second throw. Wala pa rin. Visto, last throw. Visto, last throw. 2 point. Basket, Visto. 1 point. Natividad. Ayun, from the strong side. Wala! Red shirts. Projects. Visto number 2. 4 minutes remaining. Third quarter action. Pops up again for 3. Nope. Rebound by Pareño. Again, Montesino. Natividad. Foul. Sa baba.
Foul committed, jersey number 99.
Number 19 called for the foul. Timeout, the Projects. Timeout, your Projects. The score is 49-47. 3 minutes 15 remaining sa ating third quarter action. 3 minutes 15 remaining sa ating anong to. Ayan. Ba't kahapon? Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes 51 remaining, 49-47 ang score po natin. Sa kabila po. Yan. Okay, bola po ng in-flights. In-flights ball po tayo. Borlasa for 3. Nope, in and out. Akain. Foul. Akain called for the foul.
Foul committed, jersey number 02.
Number 2 called for the foul. Akain shooting for 2.
First personal foul. Second team foul, your Project.
First shot, Akain. Second throw. Deadlock tayo at 49. Again, Visto number 2. Visto to Villalaba. Villalaba. Op. Traveling violation called. Double step. Okay, 3:18 remaining. Okay, Ian. Nilabas muna para kay Borlasa. Para handa sa fourth quarter action yan. Mali, pinasa. Yun, si Akain. Ian, to Akain again. Akain. Borlasa, mali. And Cecilio. And one play. Ano na yun? Dapat let go na yun. Lamang ng dalawang step eh. Nakapul. Okay, bagay again po muli pa 51-40 na score po natin at 2:53 remaining. Substitution made now. Okay, balik muli po si Bacchiano. Montesilo 21, bonus free throw coming up. Wala. Rebound by Akain. Ian again. Ian. Binato kay Pareño. Pareño po posisyon. Villanueva. Paredo. Nope. Rebound by Visto. Visto binababa. Visto again. Pitong fourth time. Visto. Malakas. Nice swipe by Akain. Tap from behind. 9 seconds remaining. 9 seconds to shoot. Villalaba. Jain. Nope. Number 3. Pops up. 2 points. That's El Nur. 2 points. El Nur 2 points. Akain for 3. Nope. Jain, out of bounds. Balik tayo sa sa puting bola.
Montesilio na.
Montesilio again, 21, Montesilio.
Pass to Villaba.
Vilaba.
40, shot out.
Vilaba. Jain! 2 points. Back to back baskets again by the Projects. 55-49.
Villanueva. Pass to Pareño.
Pareño pops up. Nope. One more time, Pareño. Nope, it's Pacquiano. 3-second violation. Ouch. Masakit yun. Alex Sudol is watching also. Thank you po, sir. Baba. And Jain. Bowling ball. Bowling pass.
Seconds to play.
Montesilio.
50 seconds. Montesilio.
Bisto again for 3. Nope. Rebound, Pareño. Again, a 6-point advantage. Pacquiano. Foul call. Who's pa rep?
Foul committed, jersey number 21.
Number 21. Montesilio called for a foul.
So 4 personal foul.
Montesilio, pang-apat na yan. Gagraduate ka na.
30 seconds.
Pareño, 2 points. Old school Pareño.
20 seconds.
Bisto.
15. 10 seconds.
Bisto.
Visto. Pass to Lord.
Nur. No. Rebound again by Barredo.
Pass to Ian.
And Pareño. 2 points Pareño. And wait lang. Basket is nullified. Sorry. Nullified.
Basket is nullified.
Okay, the score is 55-51. Coming soon po, fourth quarter action. Okay, watching ang in-flights and QR Projects after the po. Ito po ang The Sky Team versus Oryx Basketball. Nasa Sky Team? Sky Team, nasa na kayo? Maraming salamat po. Nasa na kayo? Okay. For the meantime, fourth quarter action coming up para sa in-flights and projects. Ay, papatay ko itong live ko. Okay, fourth quarter start. Fourth quarter start. Mas pa.
Fourth and final quarter.
Okay.
Timeout snap and ice out. Dalawa na lang po.
Final 10 minutes. Okay, Borlasa with Ariola. And of course, nandiyan po si Hirwa, si Barredo. Saan po natin po si Pareño. Kabila na po, of course, yung Bisto Brothers, nandiyan na. Nandiyan si Jain. Hirwa! Bako, sayang. Pareño! 2 points Pareño. 9:44 remaining. 55-53. Close basket. No good. Pareño. Ariola. Pushing foul called. Number 37 called for the push.
Foul committed, jersey number 27.
Ariola. Borlasa. Borlasa, binababa ang bola. Ariola. Baredo, malakas. And Visto, tapos.
Foul minute. Jersey number.
Jersey number 8.
Fourth personal foul. Jersey number 7.
Number 8, 4 personal foul. Ariola, 4 personal fouls. 1 for graduate. Visto, first shot. It's out. Visto, second shot. Jumper ready.
Visto. Second shot.
Second throw, jumper ready. Visto. Hirwa, tap out. Balik muli po sa in-flight ang bola. Ariola, binaba ang bola. Ariola. Hop. Paredo. Ariola. Hindi handa si Borlasa. Rodriguez running strong. No good. Ariola again. Ariola, binabatong bola. Ariola, pumisyon. Pareño, no good. Nice of the J. Nope. It's held ball situation. Who's ball rep? Okay, project ball. Bola po ng projects. Paredo, labas muna para kay Akain brother. And to Visto Rodriguez. Rodriguez, 2 points. 4 ang lamang muli po ng the projects. Walang pinasahan ng Yanda na Tibidiciano. Si Akain. Roldan. Visto, binato, nandun si Borlasa, foul called.
Foul minute, jersey number 4. That's the second personal foul.
Foul called.
Sideline going.
Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Nice hustle by Visto. Again, Visto. Visto for 3. Nope. Rebound Natividad. Natividad, binababa ang bola. Natividad. Hirwa. And 1 play. Hirwa, 2 points. Plus bonus
Foul
feature.
minute, jersey number 4.
Hirwa, bonus shot coming up.
Escamilla, third personal foul. On the line.
Hirwa, bonus free throw coming up. 57-55. Out. 2-point advantage. Rodriguez, binababa ang bola. Rodriguez, 2 points.
Delay warning.
Natividad. Pareño, binababa ang bola. Pareño. Uy, 3-second violation. 3-second violation called on the in-flights. 7:04 remaining. 7:01 remaining. Foul! Ayan na, tumig sila. The blue
Foul
ball.
minute, jersey number 5.
Foul number 5. Okay, Mayorga, pasok muna para kay Visto number 1.
Sino fight?
14 called for the foul. Borlasa called for the foul.
Let's go.
Villalaba. Palpal, malalim. Nangyari. Gagar siya si Mama si Mama Rodriguez. Nalo lang. Okay. Bola ng projects. Projects ball. Akain, binato agad. Pareño. Borlasa. Natividad. Mali, pinasahan. And Pisto. Jain. Rodriguez, 2 points. Yo-yo shot. 61-55. And time out again called by In-Flights. 6-point lead advantage. 61-55. You're watching still In-Flights versus the Projects. Afterwards po is Sky Team versus the Oryx basketball team. Enjoy muna po tayo sa In-Flights versus the Projects. Important, mababa pa yan. Projects must hold on the lead. Kung ano, bato ng In-Flight sa kanila, binabawi ka ng Projects. Backdoor ball game, Borlasa for the inbound. Borlasa inbounding to Ariola. Binababa ang bola. Ariola. Borlasa again. Ariola. Pops up for 3. Nope. Borlasa tracing behind Ariola. No good. Rebound by Rodriguez. Kick pass, Villaraba. Pops up, tapos. Binababa. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. Palpal. Uy! Ariola, 2 points for sure. 4 points na up. Tumama. Nagkatamaan. Substitution made now. Tumama. Projects ball. Villalaba number 99. Pisto. And Rodriguez for 3. No, malakas. Jane ako yung bola. Jane. Pisto. Out of bounds. Nice stop. 4 points remaining. Ariola. And Borlasa, malakas. Wala pa rin. Jane. Two shots chasing. Jane, wala. Rebound battle won by Akain.
Ball with it, jersey number 99.
Jersey number 99. Chance again to trim down the lead down to 2 points. Berlasa. Nahirapan. Akain. Pesky defense ng Projects. Berlasa. 2 points. Berlasa 2 points. 2 points din naman. Pops up. Jane. Villalaba. Rodriguez. Palpal. Pero may foul. Palpal. Pero may foul.
Jersey number 12.
Hirwa called for the foul. Rodriguez shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw, Rodriguez. Jumpers ready. Labrado. Second throw, jumpers ready. Basket made. 3-point dito advantage yun naman. Ariola, binababa ang bola. Ariola. Pareño. Hirwa. Ay, this guy playing in the Hirwa. I think they go now for the trap for sure. Visto against Ariola. Visto. Malakas. No foul. Pareño. Foul on Visto.
There's a foul. Jersey number 02. That's the second personal foul. Penalty, your Towers.
Your Towers now penalty situation. Pareño shooting for 2.
Pareño now shooting for penalty.
Pareño shooting for 2. Pops up. Naku. No good. Second shot jumper ready para kay Pareño. Second free throw para kay Pareño. Pops up. Basket made isa. Tablado. Deadlock tayo at 62. Nabrad. Villalaba. Binababa ang bola. Visto. And Visto again. Sa kain. Jane. Pops up. Tap from behind. 60 all tayo. Chance na to take the lead. Pareño. Ariola. Hirwa to Ariola again. Akain. Nope. Akain again. Kapos.
Rodriguez.
And hey! No good. Nice try. Ariola, walang pinasahan. Nice play sana ni Ariola. And that's Villalaba, number 99. 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Nako ng pick. Visto. Nope. Rebound. Pareño. Binato na kagad. Malakas ang pasa. Ang dami nila. Not Another wasted effort for the flight.
Tawag mo ng maaga, reserve ha? Ilan mo lang knowledge sa instant.
Binalaba again. A minute and 42 remaining. Visto number 2 Visto. Rodriguez stop from behind. No. Again. Jain. No. Akai naka-rebound. Borlasa. Pareño. Binababa muna Pareño. Borlasa. No. Wala pa rin. Tota finish to. Akai. Mo play for Akain. What a play. 48 seconds remaining. Akain giving the lead back to in-flights. In-flights are calling now for the timeout to map this thing out.
Team calls natin ha, QR towers. QR project penalty. In flights, 3 team calls. Timeout, 1 timeout in flights.
Kelvin, wala. Bakasyon.
2 timeouts, QR project.
Abot pa rin. Hindi na makakita rin yun. Kulang pa rin yun. Kulang yung projects. Exciting. 48 seconds remaining. Akain giving back the lead to in-flights at 48 seconds remaining. The score is 62-64. Akain. Last throw. Jumpers ready.
2 timeouts, QR project.
Akain. Last shot. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Rodriguez.
Rodriguez, lay in.
Hirwa. Pareño again. Pareño. Wasting the clock. Akain.
Shooting shot. Pareño.
Jain. Binaba bola.
Visto.
Visto. Wala. Jain. 50 seconds remaining. Visto on.
Visto. Pass to Visto. 7 seconds. Jai. Shoot.
Hey! Okay, again. Overtime tayo. For sure, overtime. Again, same what happened last week. It happened again. Ganito. 8:49.
Wonderful game.
Another possible overtime for projects and in-flights. Tablados po tayo at 64 all.
Wonderful game. 2 timeouts, QR towers. 1 timeout in flights.
In-flights. For sure, catching shit na yan.
13 ball in flights.
Catch and shoot situation. Catch and shoot na yan. Borlasa. Sino tatapos? Okay, 5 minutes pa. Another 5 minutes. Mas malalim yung bench nito.
Let's go one more time.
Okay, another 5 minutes again. Will QR Projects again repeat what happened last time, or in-flights will have now the ball game? Yan, maganda po yan. Yan, idol. Okay, balik po tayo. Natividad for the inbound. Kita lang po. Natividad, inbounding. And Tono, Akain for 3. Nope. Rebound. Ano nangyari?
Technical ball in flights.
In-flights call for the technical. Ano nangyari? Rep, ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Pumasok yung isa.
Anim.
Lagay ng amin sa.
Technical foul for in-flights. 6 pala sila. It's out. Okay, butin lang daw, sabi ni in-flights.
Alam mo na latest ko, pero yun.
Pumasok doon isa. Okay, bola pa rin po ng in-flights. Barredo for the inbound. Pareño. No good. Rebound. Rodriguez again. Eto na naman sila. On the attack. Visto. 2 points. $60-64. Natividad. Pareño. Natividad. Barredo. Battle through. Foul on Visto.
Penalty.
Foul Visto.
Foul committed, jersey number 1.
Okay. Barredo. Shooting for 2. Meron. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Barredo. Second throw. No good. Madulas ang bola. 4 minutes 23 remaining. Okay, Villalaba now leading the attack. Villalaba. Chain. Rodriguez. Rebound by Barredo. Barredo naka-rebound. 66-65. Barredo, chance again to get back the lead. Villanueva. Natividad. Akain. Mali, pinasahan. Visto. Okay. Okay, wala na yan. Wag mo nagpauling yan. Natividad. Natividad. Pareño. Tatlo kalamangan muli ng project. Pareño. Nope. Rebound. Akain. Hilwa. Again, wag na Hilwa. Foul called. Ala. Hilwa, number 12, shooting for 2. 68-65. Jao Gamit is watching also. Maraming salamat po, Sir Jao. Shout out po sa'yo. Hilwa, first shot. Out. Hilwa, second throw. Jumpers ready. Hilwa, second throw. Jumpers ready. It's in. 3:27 remaining. Jain. Jerigis Pareño. Bisto. Pops up. Bang! Bisto, 3 points. Natividad. 4. Pareño. Pareño. Wow! Binalaba. Take note po, penalty na po ang team UR Towers since regulation. Pareño. First shot. It's in. Pareño, second throw, jumpers ready. 4-point lead. Second throw, Pareño. No good. Hirwa. 2 points, Hirwa. 2 points dito naman. Hirwa for the putback. Pareño against Bisto. Pareño, number Bisto. Now, Bisto for 3. Ang layo. Rodriguez ang rebound. Pops up. Bang! What a play! What a pamatay sunog! Ariola, 7-69. Ariola for 3. Nope. Makain, naka-rebound. Jain. Bisto, 2 points. Again, 2 minutes. $76.69. Pito po kalamangan. Makain. Hirwa. Hirwa. Sayang, lumabas. Hirwa, shooting for 2. 1 minute 44 remaining.
That's your first personal foul.
12. Hirwa, first shot. It's in. Second throw, Hirwa, jumpers ready. 6-point lead advantage. Both basket made. 1 minute 54 remaining. And Bisto. Bisto again. Villalaba. 1 minute 32 remaining. Villalaba. Naku ng pick. Jain. No good. Hirwa naka-rebound. Hirwa rebounding. Hirwa bring down the ball. Hirwa for 3. Nope. Pareño naka-rebound. Pareño. Hirwa. Hirwa. Bang! Hirwa. 3-point lead again. They need to stop right now. In-flights need a stop. Jane for 3. Nope. It's driving. Jane. Foul! Pinal pa. Jane shooting for 2.
Ball committed. Jersey number 12. Ball committed.
Akain called for a foul. Jane shooting for 2. 3-point lead advantage, 76-73 by the Projects. It's in. 4-point lead.
Game clock, 49 seconds.
Second shot, Jain. Pops up. Nope. Rebound, Hirwa. Kick pass, Ariola. Ariola. No! Foul! Akain, third personal foul. 41 seconds remaining. Penalty po ang in-flights. Villalaba, 99, shooting for 2. Wala. Again. Apat po kalamangan. Second shot. It's in. 5. 41 seconds remaining. Akain. Pareño, Akain. Akain for 3. Nope. That's it, I believe so. Panalo na.
Foul jersey number 08. Game disqualified. Jersey number 08.
Ariola, 5th person foul, graduate. Rodriguez for shooting for 2. Basket made. 6 mga kalamangan. Last shot. Both basket made. Orlasa. Orlasa for 3. Nope. Akain. Tapos. Pareño. Tapos. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Win number 2. Pick up now by the Projects at expense of in-flights. Okay, you've watched now in-flights versus the Projects, and congrats po sa Project for winning the game. Maraming salamat. Standby po tayo for next game po between Oryx and Sky Team. Pero kung nagsipre po tayo sa in-flights and the Project.